Welcome to Alter Tutorials. In this segment, we will create our first Java program. Before we get started, we need to clear few basics about class and methods. Let's say there is a program called Christmas and assume Santa as class which deliver method called gifts. There may be different methods, say sweet or stuffed toys. Each method has its own function. For example, sweet call function called eating and increasing weight, or stuffed toy has function called pleasure of hugging. So now we know that every Java program has a class and methods. To get started, we will open a text editor, which is Notepad in my case, and we will write a class called Hello World. Now every class are of different types: public, private, protected, which we will be covered in upcoming tutorials. So right now we have created a public class named Hello World. Always remember, a class is defined between opening and closing curly brackets. In class, we will write different methods. In a Java program, at least one main method should be defined. So we will write a main method in this program. We will create a public static. What is static we will see in upcoming tutorials. Void, because it returns no value. Method name, that is main, because a Java program need at least one main method. And define arguments as an array of strings. Once again, a method scope is registered under opening and closing curly bracket. In between we write different statement or functions. So now we will write a function called system.out.println. This function print or output a string on the screen in a new line. Always remember, a statement is ended with a semicolon. We will now save this file. We will save the file as exactly as classname.java, that is helloworld.java. To compile our first program, we will open command prompt and issue javac command. So the command will be javac space hello world dot java. A new binary file called helloworld.class will be created by Java compiler. To show it is a binary file, let me open its content. Okay, we will go where these files are created and open the particular class file. As we can see, it is not in human readable format. So now to run our first program, we will issue following command: java space hello world. And you can see hello world is printed in a new line. Thank you for watching this Java basic tutorial.